morning to you all. Today we, the students of Jammu Sanskriti School Kathua, are going to present you a working model of carbon purification, a groundbreaking solution to tackle the issue of smoke emission from factories. This model determines how the carbon is collected and then purified using the cloth conveyor belt and the water tap. Let's dive into the innovative process of this model and which helps conserve the environment.
So here, as you can see, this is a very miniature factory setup which represents the smoke producing factories. As we all know that the smoke produced from these factories are harmful to our environment as well as to the human health. So we have constructed this model to purify that smoke and to collect the carbon from that smoke. So here is a cloth conveyor belt which is strategically placed near the smoke releases so that the maximum smoke is absorbed by this cloth. This cloth acts as a filter and it absorbs the harmful particles from this smoke. Now, when this conveyor belt rotates, it brings all the harmful particles into this water chamber where the water mixed with the harmful particles and the impurities of this gas. Now, we can extract carbon from this water by using three different processes. The first one is the filtration process, the second one is the chemical process, and the third one is the adsorption process. Let's discuss all these processes in details. So, in first one process, that is filtration process, we have chosen a selectively permeable chamber which separates the carbon particles from these water molecules. Then we can extract these filters and can separate out all the carbon particles. The second method is the chemical process. When this water is transferred into this chamber, we will add some coagulant material which may be aluminium sulfate, which reacts with this water, and the carbon present in this water will attract each other and will form a very big molecule of carbon which can be separated out by using filtration or sedimentation processes. The third process is the adsorption process. So here we have to take an activated carbon, but we don't have an activated carbon, so we take a source of that activated carbon, which is the coconut husk. When this carbon mixed water is transferred into this chamber, this husk collects all the carbon particles from this water, and then the carbon can be separated by using the sedimentation or filtration processes.
So at last, I would like to add that this model is a crucial step for conserving the environment, and this is a sustainable future, and we can conserve the environment as well as it will impact the public health. So let us all work together and implement such innovative solutions in our life.